Starting a YouTube channel after 50, the honest truth. Let's drop the polished look and lean into the personal journey vibe. Picture this. You are 58 years old, sitting at your kitchen table, watching someone half your age rack up millions of views on YouTube. And you're thinking, there is no way I can compete with that. But what if I told you that the very technology those younger creators are scrambling to figure out is actually perfectly designed for someone exactly like you? Here is the truth nobody is talking about. AI does not care how old you are. It doesn't care if you have never been on camera. It doesn't care if you stumble over your words or hate the sound of your own voice. What AI does care about is being directed by someone with real-life experience, genuine wisdom, and the kind of patience that only comes from actually living a few decades on this planet. And that is where you have a massive, unfair advantage. Here's a perspective that might sting a little. The 26-year-old who just made $8,000 last month from YouTube doesn't know what a mortgage crisis feels like, what it costs to raise 3 kids, or how to survive a career pivot at 52. But his AI tools don't know that either. And that's exactly your opening. Today, I am going to walk you through exactly how creators over 50 are using AI automation to build YouTube channels that generate real income without burning themselves out, without dancing on camera, and without needing a single technical degree. Stay with me through this entire video because toward the end, I am going to share the single most common mistake people in this space make, and it is one that quietly kills channels before they ever have a chance to take off. Hi there, my name is Bob, and our channel at MoneyGameai 50 Plus want to help YouTube entrepreneurs 50 plus to learn how to effortlessly master AI automation, using proven strategies to build your channel and make real money. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood is at stake. Our videos reveal proven strategies to build your channel and make real money, not just from YouTube ads, but through affiliate programs, AI-driven tools, and automation systems that can turn simple content into consistent income. For the pay-for apps, we get a small commission. See links in our video comments to learn how. If you're serious about mastering AI for YouTube growth, staying ahead of the latest tech trends, and transforming your channel into a profitable business, this is where you belong. Now's the time to stop watching others succeed and start building your own future. Please tell us in the video comments what you would like to see in the way of assistance to build your videos. Subscribe now and let us help you make AI work for you. The retirement industry wants you investing in index funds. The self-help industry wants you journaling your way to purpose. Meanwhile, a 61-year-old grandmother in Ohio quietly built a $4,000 a month YouTube channel last year and never once turned on a camera. Let me start by reframing something that probably brought you here in the first place. You may have heard the phrase YouTube automation being tossed around. Some people make it sound like you flip a switch and money starts pouring in. That is not what this is. What it actually means is that you use a system of AI tools to handle the time-intensive and technically complex parts of creating content, while you focus on the thing that only a human with your specific background can provide: direction, judgment, and perspective. Think about it this way. If you have spent 30 years working in finance, healthcare, education, real estate, or any skilled profession, you have accumulated knowledge that people genuinely want. YouTube is, at its core, an information platform. People come there every single day with problems they need solved, questions they need answered, and skills they want to learn. Your knowledge is the raw material. AI is the factory that turns that raw material into a polished, watchable, monetizable video. And we help to make it simple for you to understand and implement. So what does that actually look like in practice? Let me break it down into the three main areas where AI transforms the content creation process for creators who are building channels without showing their face. The first area is research and scripting. This used to take the longest amount of time for any creator. You would have to spend hours figuring out what topics were trending, what people were searching for, and then even more hours writing a script that was engaging enough to hold attention. Today, AI tools can compress that entire process dramatically. You enter a broad topic based on your expertise, and within minutes, you have a list of high search volume, low competition video ideas. Then you take the idea that resonates most with your experience, and you guide the AI to develop a full script around it. Your job is not to write everything from scratch. Your job is to review, refine, and inject your real-world perspective into what the AI drafts. That human layer is what separates your content from generic filler that never goes anywhere. The second area is visuals and voice. A faceless YouTube channel means you are never on camera. The video is built from a combination of stock footage, AI-generated images, simple text animations, and screen recordings. AI tools can now generate voiceovers that sound remarkably natural, or you can use your own voice, recorded simply on your phone or laptop, and have AI tools clean up the audio and remove background noise. The visual assembly process, which used to require professional video editing skills, can now be handled by beginner-friendly platforms that use AI to match footage to your script almost automatically. What used to take a professional editor an entire day can now be done in a few hours, even by someone who has never touched editing software before. You are now able to take a photograph of yourself and put it into a video creation program, along with a 1,500-word text of what you want to say in your presentation. This video was created exactly that way: a you image, text, you voice, or a choice of voices, all put together in a program to produce a video of you talking the lip-synced text. And if you want, you can add images or short videos to augment your feature presentation. The video you are now watching has an enhanced image, made better looking, of me lip-syncing written text. You can do the same. The third area is upload strategy and optimization. This is where a lot of creators, regardless of age, leave serious money on the table. Creating a good video is only half the battle. Getting YouTube to actually show it to the right people is the other half. AI tools can now analyze what thumbnail styles perform best in your specific niche. It can generate dozens of title options and predict which ones will get the most clicks, and suggest descriptions and tags that align with what your target audience is already searching for. This is not guesswork anymore. It is data-driven, and AI makes it accessible to anyone willing to use it. We will show you the technology we use in the comments below this video. Now, let me talk about something that does not get discussed enough when people pitch YouTube automation to beginners. The income side of this does not happen overnight. I want to be honest with you about that because you deserve a realistic picture. Most creators in this space start seeing meaningful traction somewhere between the 3-month and 9-month mark, assuming they are publishing consistently. The channels that fail are almost always the ones that either gave up too early or never developed a clear enough niche to attract a dedicated audience. This is actually another area where being over 50 is a genuine advantage. You know what it means to commit to something long term. You have likely built a career, raised a family, or managed complex situations that required sustained effort over years. Younger creators often struggle with patience. They want results in week 2 and disappear by week 6 if they do not get what they want. If you can stay consistent and trust the system, the compounding effect of a growing channel is something most people dramatically underestimate. If you have not yet set up your channel, ex-YouTube employees I have seen recommend taking up to 3 months to set up your channel. This gives YouTube time to digest your niche and direction. We have a program which can teach you over a number of weeks how to set up your channel correctly. Let me give you a clear picture of what the income potential looks like. YouTube channels monetize through several different streams. Ad revenue from the YouTube Partner Program kicks in once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That threshold is achievable within 6 to 12 months on a consistently published channel in a decent niche. Beyond ads, there is affiliate marketing, where you recommend products or services relevant to your niche and earn a commission on sales. We do this, and you may earn commissions by doing the same. If you have expertise to share, there are digital products like guides, templates, and mini courses that complement your channel content. And for channels with loyal audiences, there is sponsorship income, where brands pay you directly to feature their product or service. A channel with even 5,000 engaged subscribers in the right niche can generate several hundred to several $1,000s per month across these streams combined. Now, I promised you earlier I would share the biggest mistake that kills channels before they have a chance. Here it is: trying to cover too many topics. This sounds innocent, but it is devastating for channel growth. YouTube's algorithm is designed to recommend your content to people who have already shown interest in your specific topic. When your channel covers 10 different subjects, the algorithm has no idea who to show your videos to. The channels that grow fastest are the ones that pick one focused niche and go deep. Not wide, deep. Your decades of experience make you perfectly positioned to do exactly that, because you already know your subject matter inside and out. Our channel at MoneyGameAI-50+ focuses upon and wants to help YouTube entrepreneurs over 50 to build a YouTube channel and learn how to earn money online using YouTube automation and AI. Picking your niche does not need to be complicated. Ask yourself 3 questions. What do I know better than most people? What could I talk about for hours without running out of things to say? And what kind of person would benefit most from learning what I know? Where those 3 answers overlap, that is your channel. But you do not have to sit around for days or weeks on end trying to create your video storylines. We have links to easy-to-use technology in the comments beneath this video, where with just a prompt of a few words, you can create up to 3,000-word scripts for your video in just a few minutes. One more thing I want to address before we wrap up. There is a fear I hear constantly from creators in this age group, and it sounds something like this: I am not tech-savvy enough for this. I want to speak directly to that. The AI tools available today are designed for everyday users, not programmers. If you can type a sentence, you can use these tools. The learning curve is real, but it is gentle, and there are communities, tutorials, and resources built specifically for beginners that make the process far more approachable than it looks from the outside. The biggest barrier is not technical skill. It is the decision to actually start. Here is where you are right now. You have knowledge that other people are actively searching for. You have the life experience to back it up with credibility. You have access to AI tools that can handle the heavy lifting of production. And you have, if you choose to use it, the patience and discipline to see this through when others quit. That is not a small combination. That is actually a powerful one. The question is not whether AI will replace creators. The question is whether you will be one of the creators who uses AI before someone else uses it to outcompete you. That window is still open. Subscribe now and let us help you make AI work for you. The creators who move now, build the audience now, and establish authority in their niche now will be the ones sitting at that kitchen table 2 years from today, not watching someone else win, but collecting their own monthly check from YouTube. Start today. Pick your niche. Build your first video. The system works. You just have to be willing to run it. And we have another video which we think will be quite helpful to you in your quest for YouTube success. Here,